In this tutorial, I will show you how you can connect to a SIMATIC S7 1500 controller with ibaPDA PLC Explorer and how to use S7 address books. Address books include the symbolic names of the signals and thus facilitate the selection of signals to be detected. Connecting SIMATIC S7 1500 controllers with access to optimized data blocks is only possible via address books. First of all, we open the I/O manager. Now we will add an exemplary connection to a SIMATIC S7 controller. Here we add a new S7 Xplorer module and assign a name. Now you can see the general settings of the S7 Xplorer module. For this tutorial, we can use the default settings. We now continue on to the connection settings and configure the TCP/IP address of the controller. Please choose TCP/IP S7 1x00 as connection mode. Using test, we conduct a connection test and get some diagnostic data from the controller. Now we can connect the address book of the controller with this connection. Therefore, we can choose an already created address book from the list under CPU name. Or by clicking Create Address Book, we simply generate a new one from a TIA portal project. Now the S7 address book generator will open. By clicking Add Project, a file selection dialog opens in which we select the project file of the required TIA portal project. This is added to the project list. With Create Address Book, the address books are created for all selected projects. The generated address book is selected now. Now we go to the analog signals and add the signals that we want to acquire. To do this, click the selection button in the column S7 symbol and select the desired signal via the S7 symbol browser. The S7 symbol browser contains all data blocks and PLC tags, and it offers a search option as well. Now we move on to the digital signals and add more signals. By clicking OK, we accept the configuration and start the data acquisition. The I/O manager will close automatically. The data acquisition is now active and the configured signals are already recorded. To follow the signals online, they can be selected in the signal tree and dragged in the display area. You will find an overview of all generated S7 address books and a way to manage them in the I/O manager under General and Address Books. Here, all created S7 address books with the location of the corresponding S7 project and the module in which it is used are listed. Address books can be created both from TIA portal projects as well as from SIMATIC Manager projects.